You say you was loving me. Baby, how could it be? How could it be? You're not there, you're not there, you're not there. I wonder what happened, what happened. It feels so strange, but I love being alone in my zone. It's a quiet place where I could get away from all this hurt, from all this hurt.